this is what you want to do. I suggest everybody ramp up their retail arbitrage game, and if you already stepped over into private label, that's awesome. You might want to ramp that up as well. So I would suggest you start shopping way more, start scanning way more, put more effort than you ever put into retail arbitrage now than you ever have during the whole year. What's up, family? So as you can see, I have a bunch of products behind me, guys. I have a bunch of products behind me. This is not that much, actually. But here's what not to do. I've had these for a while in these boxes, and this is a box of products, a shipment, a big box right under this one that has maybe 15 products in there, and I've had it for a little while, or maybe like a week or two, a week and a half maybe, and all I had to do was just send that to UPS, and I haven't done that yet because I've been focusing on some other businesses. Do not do this, guys. Do not have inventory just sitting around for a while. The name of the game is keep the fire burning, guys. When it comes to retail arbitrage, if you want to make big money, keep the inventory moving as fast as possible. Now, it is Q4. It is Q4. So that means sales are going to be rampant. All this stuff will sell way faster. You don't even really need to follow BSR as much anymore during Q4 because almost anything will sell. All you need to focus on is getting quality products now. So get things that have good packaging. Get things that look neat and clean. The box, if it's used, label it used, but still clean it up and still pack it as pretty as possible, because this marks the season of really like gifts, Q4, Christmas time. So people don't want to receive beat up boxes during this season. People don't want to receive like, messed up looking packages. This is when the Gooby Gone really comes in handy. The wiping off the sticky labels, things like that, making everything look really good so you don't get any returns. So it's a blessing and a curse, because even though people are picky, everything sells. Everything sells, like legit. Like you can have something that's like 300,000 BSR and it will still sell. This is what you want to do. I suggest everybody ramp up their retail arbitrage game, and if you already stepped over into private label, that's awesome. You might want to ramp that up as well. So I would suggest you start shopping way more, start scanning way more, put more effort than you ever put into retail arbitrage now than you ever have during the whole year. I've made more money in one day than I've made in, like a month during the normal months of the year. I mean, anything's possible depending on how much money you put into it and how hard you go. I mean, I know guys that made $10,000 in a day retail arbitrage, and that was insane. But that was Q4. Q4, everything is like 10x, 10x, guys. I recommend everybody up it up. Like, just go hard and put in the work. Now's the time to scan like crazy. If you say, oh, a lot of stuff are restricted, well, if you scanned 100 items and most of them were restricted, well, you need to scan 1,000 items. I'm telling you right now, Q4 is worth it. It'll skyrocket your business. It'll bring you tons of money for the holidays. You will be happy. So just go hard and do it right, guys. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions for me, I will be definitely helping out as much as possible. Like I said, send me the questions down below to my Instagram, okay? Because it gives me a notification on my cell phone, so I will see the questions faster. But you have to be following me on Instagram. If you're not following me, if you're not subscribed, I will not reply to you, because why would I waste my time with somebody who is not really dedicated and even helping me out some? So like for the people who are helping me out and subscribed and following me on Instagram, then I will reply to you as soon as possible, and I will get those notifications to my cell phone, and that's just the way it's going to be. If you do not have an Instagram, I suggest you create one and just follow me. So you don't even have to use it for anything else. Just create one and follow me and ask me whatever you need to ask me. It is Q4. I'm going to be uploading shopping videos for sure. I'm going to be uploading in the store, crushing it for sure, because Q4 is here and it's time to make crazy amounts of money. You see what it is. I'm about to send all of this stuff in. I have to send all of this stuff in today. No more games. Send this stuff in. Go get some more stuff. Send that stuff in. Go get some more stuff. Send that stuff in. And don't stop. Like, keep that fire burning. If you're not a part of the family, what are you doing? You need to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Then hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. Okay, guys? And then follow my other channels down below. Doing retail arbitrage doesn't mean I'm stopping anything else. Affiliate marketing is still up. For those of you who have questions about that, you can send me questions about that. And yeah, it's not stopping. I told you, I do a bunch of stuff at once, which multiple checks are coming in, multiple income streams. So I suggest you guys do the same. It's peace and love, family. I'm out. Peace.